Your bike is silently warning you, but most riders ignore this mistake until the engine gets damaged. Look closely. Engine oil inside the air filter box is not normal. One dirty or blocked air filter can stop proper airflow, increase engine pressure, and slowly push engine oil into places where it should never go. At first, you may notice weak pickup, black smoke, or unusual engine sound. But if ignored, this small problem can turn into an expensive engine repair. That's why after replacing the air filter, we always clean the entire air filter case properly and check for any oil contamination inside. Remember, following the motorcycle manual and replacing damaged parts on time can save your engine, fuel, and money. A small maintenance mistake today can become a major breakdown tomorrow. This video is made for awareness and motorcycle education. If you love learning Real bike maintenance tips, subscribe now and stay connected for more powerful motorcycle repair videos.